Hello, I am Saurabh Mehta and I will be talking about my idea of Your Fellowship. I myself underwent a 2-year grassroots leadership program which gave me a life-changing experience, like many other co-fellows in the program. Since then, I've been thinking that how such experiences could be effectively shared with others in an engaging way. This finally has led me to the idea of Your Fellowship. In India, in the early 20s, when we finish our formal education, we start working pretty much immediately, without taking a break to explore the world outside. Most of us end up in jobs that we don't really care about. As a result, we start seeking for new opportunities quite soon. Also, with the rise of access to information, people are getting to know about the social problems and want to contribute towards the society. To cater to these demands, a few fellowships have been started in the past few years. Currently, there are about 1,500 seats in total in the development space. But unfortunately, only 2% of the applicants get through, and there is nothing to offer to the rest of them. But again, these were the people who were willing to take risk, give away their current position, and invest time in something that is important and something that they care about. It's almost like saying no to someone who wants to do good for the country at their own cost. At Your Fellowship, we believe that though being on the field and working with the community is the best way to learn and develop solutions, but it's not the only way. There is a possibility to provide useful experiences through well designed online simulation tools. With this in mind, we restructured our current fellowship, where a fellow interacts with the community under the ecosystem of a host organization, trainers, and mentors. Whereas in Your Fellowship, we provide the same ecosystem through an open online platform, and the fellows interact with a virtual community who respond with artificial intelligence features. Thus, Your Fellowship becomes open for all. So, the fellows start by selecting an assignment, then the system provides guidance, trainings, and tools for user or the fellow to have better understanding of the context. But that's not enough. Until the fellow starts making decisions and see the implications, he's not going to learn a lot. Thus, we then make the fellow make some decisions. And based on the decisions, the system reacts. This now gives users an understanding of how the community may react to their actions. This translates into useful learning and experiences. This can also allow users to think of creative ideas to tackle problems. And the system is recording the reactions of users every time for self-optimization. We have a very useful experience of offline fellowships with over 100 fellows placed in the last 5 years, understanding of diverse geographical and thematic contexts. We have information base of various sets of approaches, case studies, and solutions that have worked on field, pool of trainers, training modules, and resource tools that can help develop the fellows, along with more than 50 host organizations that have hosted our fellows in the past. Overall, all these could be very useful in designing a better Your Fellowship. With 98% rejection rate for 1500 seats, at least 150,000 people are waiting for such a tool. But the outreach potential of such a tool is way beyond this. Being a simulation, we understand that it will grow richer and stronger and better with more people using it. It could then also be used by institutions across themes, practitioners, researchers, and policy designers. They could use this to study and analyze the huge pool of solution set to come up with interesting decisions and conclusions. A knowledge and experience which till now was difficult to attain because of mere accessibility issues for various reasons can now be made available to anyone who is enthusiastic. And to learn more about our offline program, you can visit our website indiafellow.org. Thank you very much for watching the video.